Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to quickly show you how you can install a Seekee application to your Android TV, especially without the Google Play Store app. So make sure to like this video and subscribe if you find it helpful. So this is my Android TV and I'm going to be installing a Seekee application even though I don't have the Google Play Store on my Android TV. So what do? I go over to my browser. Now this can work on any browser that you have on your Android TV. It can be a Google browser like Chrome or the base browser, or it can be a system browser that comes with your Android TV. Just go over to it and then do what I'm about to show you. Once you're here, just go ahead and type in the name of the application, which in this case is a Seekee application. So once you type in Seekee, what you have to add to it is the option that says Seekee app download. Now, if I go over to my search box here or my search suggestion here, you see Seekee app download. This is what you want to type. Type all of these or click it from the search suggestion. Now, if you click on search suggestion, you see that there's an option here that says install the application. Here's the application we're installing, and this is on the web version of Google Play. Now, the other options that can also work, you can try it on your Android TV. Like for instance, you can install the application from a third-party application like up to down, or if you scroll through your Android TV, you're going to see different options. But I'm just going to go with the first option because this is the safest. So I click here, and then the option that's going to come to install the application from my Google Play version is going to be here. So this in your case might ask you to first of all log into your Google account before you see the install button. What is simple, just go ahead and log in. Once you're done logging in, you can come over here now and install. And as I said, you can install it from Google Play like I just did, or you can install it from any other option on the internet like third-party sites. Or if this one works for you, just go ahead and click on it and install. So I'm just going to quickly wait for the application to install to my Android TV and I'll show you that it has installed. Now, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So now the application has been installed. So what do you have to do? You can return home. Let me show you that the application has been installed. So if I return home and I come over to my option that says apps, I come back here, you're going to realize the application has been installed, and here is it here on my Android TV. So as you can see, this is how to install the application to your Android TV.